Hi everyone, this is Brijesh Bhatia. I am one of the director in the organization. I'm heading SAP and Tableau practice in Unicops. So we as a group is about 25 years old organization. We are spread across 9 different locations in India. As a company, we are about 450 CR turnover group with more than 800 people are working with us. Unicops as a group is divided into multiple entities, multiple divisions and multiple product line which we are selling. Unicops business solution is one of the vertical which takes care of business automation, and we are selling services like ERP, data analytics and cloud hosting. In ERP, we have technology partnered with SAP. We are selling multiple solutions. One is SAP Business One Starter Pack, which is focusing towards MSME organizations. Then we have SAP Business One, which is targeting towards small and medium-sized companies. And then we have a cloud offering from SAP Business ByDesign, which is taking care of the needs of mid-sized organization. For data analytics, we are partnered with Tableau and Power BI. For Tableau, we recently become Gold partner. We have multiple industry solutions or dashboards developed on data analytics, which sharing it with our customers. And we have a huge manpower who can support our existing set of customers. For cloud hosting, we are partnered with Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services. We are providing hosting services to existing set of customers. We have currently more than 100 customers hosted on these two platforms. How we take care of our customers? So basically we have 3 teams. When a customer comes to us, the first team, who is a consulting team, they understand the customer requirement, understand their pains, their needs, their budgets, and accordingly we suggest the solutions to them. After the solution is finalized, we have our implementation team. This is the second team. They understand the requirement even in more detail. They prepare a document which we call BVP document, and based on that document we configure and customize the solution. We also suggest the best practices to our customers. Post that, we ensure the data migration from the legacy system to the new system will be smooth, and we provide the proper training to the users and post go live support so that users' teething issues can be taken care. Third team which comes into picture is a support team. They takes care of the day-to-day support related issues, day-to-day training related issues, the statutory changes which keep on coming, the new versions which OEMs are launching, so we ensure that they are upgraded to the new versions. So we ensure that the day-to-day business dynamics which a company is going through or a statutory changes, our customers will be always upgraded to the new versions and the new changes. Unicops as a group, we have more than 800 people are working with us, and as a Unicops business solution, we have more than 300 people are now working with us. We treat our employees as a families, so we trust them, we give all the required authorities, we ensure they get a proper environment to learn, to scale up their skills, and finally we ensure they get a proper growth within the organization so that they stay with us for a longer duration. I myself is working with this organization from last almost 13 years now. I have many teammates who are working with us from more than 5 years, 10 years, and we have seen the kind of growth which we as an organization have got, and we are giving it to our people so that they stay with us. Now all such people are a strong pillar of the organization, and because of them only we are whatever we are today. We are just because of them. We have more than 500 plus customers. So customers who are into manufacturing and traditional businesses, and customers like Mankind Pharma, Okaya Power, SGS Technique, USG Boral, Clearpath. All these customers are into manufacturing and associated with us more than 10 years. Now we have new age businesses like Cars24, BharatPe, Healthians, Nolarity, Continox, Ekkirana.com. So all these new age businesses are also opting Unicops for their business automation services.